Anandamayi Ma taught that God is not confined to heaven or hidden in scriptures. The divine is both within and without, immanent in every cell of existence, and transcendent beyond all form. She often said, "Everything in its essence is light." To her, all things, joy and pain, birth and death, form and formlessness, are expressions of the same sacred reality. This is why she encouraged people not to escape the world, but to see it rightly. The world is not a mistake to be corrected, but a manifestation to be understood. Duality is pain, she said, and described worldly experience as akin to a dream. When we wake up to the one in all things, even suffering becomes part of a greater wholeness. She taught acceptance, not as resignation, but as a sacred seeing. Good and bad, inner and outer, light and shadow. Nothing lies outside the divine. Try to be constantly aware of the fact that whatever is perceived at any time, in whatever way, is a manifestation of the Supreme Being. This awareness leads to surrender. And for Anandamayi Ma, surrender wasn't about helplessness. It was about trust. She said, "Make it as if it is the divine's work done through you as its instrument. Then your mind will be at rest and at peace." That is prayer and meditation. Her path was not bound to rituals or dogma. She welcomed all paths: devotion, knowledge, service, and meditation. Each was a doorway to the same inner flame. Whether you worship Christ, Krishna, Kali, or Allah, she said, you actually worship the one light that is also in you. Her teachings invite us to recognize the sacredness of our experience, to honor what arises in our lives, and to look gently beneath the surface of things. The divine is not elsewhere. It is here, now, in us, and in all. Divine happiness, she taught, is not a fleeting pleasure or passing joy. It is a state so deep and subtle that even the smallest particle of it, once attained, never leaves one again. This happiness is not dependent on external circumstances, but is the very essence of life itself, eternal and unshakable. She explained that to reach this divine happiness is to touch the core of existence and find oneself. When this self is truly discovered, nothing else remains to be found. The restless craving of the heart ceases, and torment is stilled forever. She warned that many lives